Toni Gonzaga dunay mensahe sa mga tao nga misaway sa iyang hosting atol sa binibining Pilipinas 2015 Coronation Night niadtong Domingo. Sa press conference sa iyang upcoming movie nga You're My Boss kauban si Coco Martin, si Toni may explain nga sawa pa ang show, gistoryaan na siya sa mga organizers nga magpaka-jolly aron maubsan ang kulba sa mga kandidata. Dugang niya nga wala sa iyang intentions ang i-offend ang masking kinsa man. Apan nagpasalamat sab si Toni ngadto sa mga mi-defend kaniya.
To those who were not pleased and to those na syempre nagkaroon po ng parang national debate kung nagustuhan po ba nila o hindi nila nagustuhan ang napanood nila. Syempre po dun po muna sa mga hindi natuwa and hindi na kaibigan ang napanood nila ng Sunday, I'm humbly asking for apology kung I have offended or I have maligned or I have hurt any one of you, but it was never my intention because prior to the show, I was instructed po to make the show fun, light, and ease the tension, especially during the Q&A portion. So it was never my intention. Again, it was instructed for me to host that way, to make it lively and fun. Of course, in the spirit of the celebration ng Binibining Pilipinas Coronation Night. And yun po siguro yung stand ko doon. And to everybody naman po, syempre I don't want to miss this opportunity to thank everyone, yung mga friends ko from the press, my friends in the industry, who have been saying a lot of, who have been defending me at nagsasalita po ng mga good and kind words sa akin. Maraming salamat po. I really and truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And also, I would like to thank the Binibining Pilipinas Committee for commending the job I did last Sunday. Maganda po yung mga sinabi nila sa akin. Actually, even the special events, they texted me very nice and encouraging words. And I'm very thankful for that. Yun po. Yeah.